You may be thinking, what is the easiest way to make money online? The answer might surprise you. Online courses are a hot trend in e-commerce right now, with tons of entrepreneurs being able to create their own course and sell it on sites like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. These websites give anyone the opportunity to teach what they know best or offer up their expertise for people who want it. In this video, we're going to look at how you can earn money online with an online course. If you are all about making money online, then why not subscribe for weekly videos on numerous ways to earn lots of passive income online. Many individuals believe they don't know enough about a subject to teach it, yet you don't have to be an expert to develop and market an online course. All you have to do is outdo the competition. Did you realize that online learning is projected to reach more than $240 billion by the end of 2021? Personal finance, music, gardening, cooking, marketing, technology, language, and other subjects are all viable options. Many individuals have earned hundreds of dollars each month by offering courses on things like guitar playing or even how to use specific software such as music production programs. It may appear to be difficult to develop your own online course at first, but with a little bit of effort, it only takes about 10 hours. Follow these steps to get started. How to create an online course. 1. Choose a topic. Make a list of things you understand. Perhaps it's something your pals and family seek your assistance with. Maybe it's an area of expertise relevant to your work, e.g., how to use Evernote or be productive working from home. Do you have a pastime that you can share, such as watercolor painting for beginners or how to play the guitar? Sometimes it's easier to start with a topic you enjoy and build out from there. 2. Do market research. You don't want to spend a lot of time creating a course that no one will buy. Many individuals may desire to learn about your topic, but is their interest in buying it genuine? Before you devote time into your course, find out who the best customer is for it and whether they're ready, willing, and able to pay for it. 3. Outline your course. The next step is to figure out what you'll include in the course after you've identified a market that wants your course, because the goal of a course is to teach people something new. The content should go deep into the subject and cover all essential details. A course isn't like a blog post, which just skims over the surface. To help manage your course, consider modules and lessons. A module is the main topic, while the lessons provide further information on that subject. For example, if you're teaching a class on how to start a home business, you might have a module on business plans. The contents of your lesson in this area would include how to choose your USP and how to write a business plan. You can also include quizzes, challenges, and other interactive tools. These will help you connect with your audience by making the course more fun than just reading through written content all day long. When it comes to creating an online course or video series, there is no one-size-fits-all. 4. Decide the best way to deliver your content. There is a general sentiment that online courses should provide a range of teaching approaches such as text, video, worksheets, checklists, infographics, audio, and other methods that give information. The trick is to figure out what type of format is best for the material you're attempting to teach. In some situations, you may provide 2 methods for one lesson. In other words, the number of video lessons requested will change based on the number and type of courses being created. If you're creating a course about how to use Salesforce marketing automation software, for example, you may have both a step-by-step text instruction and a video tutorial on how to work the software. 5. Create your lessons. The most time-consuming component of creating an online course is the design process. Consider developing a theme or logo that appears in all of your lesson material. To verify for any typos or glitches in videos, review your text lessons and videos carefully. 6. How are you going to sell your course? If you want ultimate control and full profit, create a website to host and distribute your course. There are membership site scripts as well as WordPress plugins that may assist you in setting up a system for selling and delivering your course. However, if you're looking for a quicker, less technical approach, consider using an online course service such as Udemy or Skillshare. The cost of paying through these websites varies. Check out their site in the link in the description. The advantage of using these services is that you simply upload your course and the site takes care of selling it to their members' market, including payment processing. The disadvantage is that they control the market and platform, plus you're competing with other course providers, which might necessitate lowering the price of your program to compete. A third choice is a service such as Teachable or Russo, both of which give some of the features of self-hosting with the simplicity and speed of Udemy. These alternatives have similar installation and uploading procedures to those offered by course service marketplaces, but you may use your own domain and customize your sales site. Some provide their tools for free, while others have more features with premium accounts. Most of them connect to PayPal, or you may use a different payment method. The major alternatives in this list do not need exclusivity, allowing you to sell your course on more than one platform. Even so, before offering your course on several platforms, be sure to go through the terms of service. 7. Upload your course. Upload your course after you've chosen your platform. If the platform allows you to customize your lesson, use it. It will aid in the development of your distinct brand. 8. Market your course. Regardless of your platform, you must market your course. Even if students may discover you on Udemy Marketplace using a service like Udemy, you should do your own promotion. Begin by developing a marketing strategy that includes who your target market is, where you may discover them, and how you can entice them to learn more about your course. Social media, PPC advertising like Facebook advertisements, and article promotion are all powerful course marketing options. There are several other free and low-cost marketing alternatives. 9. Keep your course up to date. Every few months or so, make sure that your course content is up to date and appropriate. Inaccurate data isn't useful to your pupils and may result in negative ratings. Check for and repair any broken links to resources as needed. 10. Repeat. There is no rule that you must stay with one course. If there are additional courses you can teach based on your current topic, create them. You may then direct your pupils to the other courses you've created. For example, if you offer a course on how to learn chess, you can create an additional course on chess mastery for advanced players. In addition, you can also create new courses in completely different areas. Creating and selling online courses may be quite profitable. If you can provide a good course and attract your target audience, there's also no reason to avoid becoming an online instructor. Now there are more user-friendly and less expensive alternatives to host your course. While it might take time to put all of the lessons in your course together, once they're done, they may provide a reliable source of passive income to your existing business or act as a standalone business. The great method to profit online with an internet course is to put up your own website. You have complete control, and because it's all yours, you get 100% of the income. So, did you find this useful? Let us know in the comments what topic or niche you will pick, and we will see if we can help you further. Good luck in your quest for passive income.